Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to the Time to Read classroom. Today I'm really excited because we're learning the last letter of the alphabet. Boys and girls, I cannot believe that we have learned so much already. But boys and girls, before we start learning this last letter, I want you to write the letters we've learned so far on your whiteboard. I will be calling them out and I want you to write them, please. Are you ready? The first is a soft letter, so listen carefully. Well done. Are you ready for the next letter? G. G. Good show. Next, please write E. E. That's correct. Now write X. X. Excellent. Next is R. R. And then I want you to write W. W. Now I want you to write L. L. That looks very good. And J. J. Well done, my friends. Now I've got to clean my board. Are you ready for M? M. Put your lips together. M. And next is A. A. Well done. Can you please write S? S. And now another soft one. H. H. Very good. Are you ready for Y? Y. The next one is D. Think carefully. D. Yes, fat tummy. And then the tall duck's neck. O. O. And the last letter is Z. Z. Yes, that's also the last letter of the alphabet. Z. Now, boys and girls, please clean your whiteboard. And now we're going to read our sight words again. The first word is in, it, if, an, am, it, can, cat, big, him, his, red, sit, bed. Well, boys and girls, today we will not only just learn to read the last letter of the alphabet, we will be learning actually something completely new. Are you ready? We will use the same 4 steps. I want you to say the word quiz and sound it out. Quiz. Q-I-Z. Let's draw sound dots for every sound. Q-I-Z. Now, boys and girls, that first sound, qu, I want you to say it with me again. Qu, qu. It's kind of a funny sound. I want you to write I and Z. I and Z. Now watch what happens. How many letters are those? Those are 2 letters. Boys and girls, so far we've never had 2 letters for one sound. But remember, I told you you're going to be learning something new today, and that is that sometimes a sound can have 2 letters, just like the qu sound. And boys and girls, then we don't use a sound dot when we draw sound buttons. We use a sound line. So we call this a line sound because a line sound always has 2 letters. Let's read the word. Q-I-Z. Quiz. Now, I'm sure you are thinking it. You know where this qu goes. And boys and girls, that qu is 2 letters. It can't hang by itself because to be qu, it needs 2 letters. Let's do another qu word. The word is quick. A jet is very quick. Please sound it out with me. Qu. Now remember that qu had a sound line because it has 2 letters. I and then k. Let's write it. Qu, I. And boys and girls, you will still see in grade 1 that when we have a k at the end of a word, it often has both the k letters, curly k and kicking king. And therefore for that k, because it has 2 letters, we use a sound line again. When we read it, boys and girls, we don't say k, k. We just say the k once. Okay, so let's read it. Qu, I, k. Quick. Now, boys and girls, I want you to please divide your whiteboard into 3 columns again. So that means draw 2 lines down, 1 line across. And the first column will be a words. In the middle, we will have a words. and the last column will be eh words. And how will we know whether they are a, or eh words? Yes, our ears tell us. We find that out by listening. So boys and girls, let's listen to the sounds in yum, yum, yeah, I heard an ah. Sound it out, yeah, and now write it. Yeah, yum. The next word is quit. When we stop doing something, we quit. Quit. Very good. Now remember, when sounding it out, how many letters does that qu sound have? It has 2 letters. Qu, it. Now we can write it. Qu, it, quit. The next word is quack. A duck likes to quack. Quack. Now, boys and girls, when we sound it out, that last k sound will have both the curly and the kicking. So for qua, we need a sound line. For a dot. And for that last k, we need a line again. So let's write it. Qua, a, k. Please don't drop out. Continue building the following words. Say the word, sound it out, write each sound, and then, of course, you can read the word. The words are zip, hug, fog, yum, web, and tux, which is short for tuxedo, tux. Once you've done building the words, then you can go in your groups. Group 1, you will be reading the paper reader, Is It Quick? Group 2, you will be building words. Group 3, you will be doing a word sort. And group 4, you can play a lotto or snap game, or you can do word building on the Time to Read app. Well, boys and girls, I'm so excited. Today we completed the alphabet, but next week we even gonna learn more line sounds. I'm very excited, boys and girls, because for me, the real fun is only starting now. Have a wonderful day. I can't wait to see you next week. Bye-bye.